Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export an image or picture on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and first of all, I'm going to add picture to the timeline. Okay, and before you export the picture, you can edit it. You can add tag, sticker, or it's up to you. And if you want to save it as picture, you can click on these three lines, and then we can click on export still frames. Okay, and here you can choose the format for your picture. You can select PNG or JPEG, and for example, I'm going to select PNG. And you can rename your picture. Okay, and then once you're ready to export it, you just need to click on export right here, and then the picture will be saved to your device. Okay, now it's done, and I'm going to check it in my file explorer. Okay, this is the picture I have just exported from CapCut. Okay guys, and that's all the way to export an image or picture from CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!